Hey guys, this is Qamar. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I'm glad to have my friend Mr. Kevin over. So he's introduced himself. So introduce Mr. Kevin.
Yeah. So as you said, my name is Kevin, and I'm a good friend of Mr. Qamar, and this is the first time that we
Yeah, first time
yeah
meet with
coming
you.
over. Yeah, and yeah, I've seen his videos. He's doing a great job and fantastic job. And anyone who want to watch, please do.
So
I
this
recommend.
video is just type of advertising. My channel. So please Qamar Pvmits channel. My name channel name is Qamar Pvmits. So please visit this channel and subscribe, share, and I am doing work at massive level. So in motivational, especially teaching Chinese and social experiment in China about information in China, international information, and those subjects. So Mr. Kevin is mostly support me lot of things, sharing with me. So I am thanks to you, Mr. Kevin. So again, he's describe yourself in living in China and about so
Yeah,
my audience.
Yeah, basically, as some of you said, yeah. Before he started a YouTube channel, we had a very good conversation, and frankly speaking, I wasn't sure that he will ever be where he is right now. And when I see his everyday work and the results of everything that he have done since he started vlogging and making videos, it's very fascinating and fantastic.
So this channel I am start couple of weeks ago. Just new channel. I am doing work. Inshallah is very good and create a content for you. Especially is very like that good content. Yeah. So please subscribe and I am zoom my channel name logo Qamar Pvmits. Qamar Pvmits. So you must subscribe and share and like. So please support me. So over. So today is maybe is finish my talking and thank you, Mr. Kevin. You are first my guest in my channel and because
I hope to be. I hope I'm not gonna be the last though. Yeah.
So thank you, man. Say goodbye.
Bye bye.